Hey guys, welcome back. Welcome to another episode of Cook with Costa, where cooking is absolute fun. Today, we will be preparing an authentic Mughlai dish, and that's a mouth-watering recipe called chicken chop. So, without any further delay, let's get started. So, to prepare chicken chop, we need the following ingredients: big chicken pieces to start with, and all the ingredients which will create that aromatic authentic chop gravy. So ginger and garlic paste, this is onion paste, this is roasted Bengal gram flour or sattu, this is saffron soaked in hot water, this is cashew paste, cooking oil, two types of red chili powder for the spiciness and Kashmiri red chili powder for the color. Along with this, we need chopped spices, we need kevda water, also we need rose water. So the first step is let's marinate the chicken. So to marinate the chicken, let us first put some saffron soaked water into the bowl. Then let us add this garlic paste and ginger paste, and then the onion paste. After this, let us add this roasted Bengal gram flour. Then let us add this spices, chopped spices, and two types of red chili powder. Then let us add some drops of rose water and some drops of kevda water as well. Then give a nice mix. So we also need to add dahi in this marinade. So during the time when I was discussing the ingredients, I missed this important one, which is dahi. So now our marinade is complete. You can see the color, how beautiful the color is. So in this marinade, let us add the cooking oil and give a nice stir. Now in the marinade we would be adding the chicken pieces. So here it goes, then this, and give a nice mix so that all the marinade can be mixed with the chicken pieces thoroughly. So our marinade is ready, as you can see. Now this has to go to a refrigerator for at least an hour. So let us put this marinade into the refrigerator, and once we are ready with the marinade, we will start the cooking. So after an hour, we will take the chicken pieces from the marinade. We'll put them aside in a pan. By removing the marinade as much as possible. Then we would be sprinkle some salt into the chicken pieces, as well as in the marinade. We'll mix the salt in the chicken pieces thoroughly, and now I will start the cooking. So in a pan you would be adding clarified butter, and we'll be waiting till it's melted. So since the kadai is hot, now we will be adding the chicken pieces into the clarified butter, one by one. And we would be frying this one side for around 4 to 5 minutes. So after 5 minutes we have just fried one sided of the chicken, and you can see how this beautifully the chicken has been colored after frying. So there are two types of chop recipe you would be getting. One is cooking the marinade and the chicken pieces together, and the other way would be frying the chicken and then frying the masala. So I prefer to fry the chicken separately because it gives a nice flavor into the chop finally. Because as per me, if we cook both the side, both chicken and the gravy together, it would be a kind of Mughlai spices of a chicken. So chicken curry in a Mughlai spice, we can say, but it's not a chicken chop. So that's why I personally prefer to fry the chicken separately and fry the masala. So you can see how beautifully the color. So now you would be frying it for another 4 to 5 minutes. Then we would be taking this out from the ghee, and then we would be cooking the masala. So now our chicken is ready from both the side, as you can see. At this time we would be lowering the flame, and we will be now taking out the chicken pieces from this ghee. Now in the same ghee you would be adding the entire marinade, and we will cook it. So let us take all the marinade from the mixing bowl, and now you would be stirring it continuously, and it will ooze out all the aroma and the color what we have added as a masala out of it. So now you can see the oil from the masala are oozing out. So this is the time when we would be adding the chicken pieces into the gravy. Be adding the chicken pieces one by one. And then we will give a nice mix, masala and the chicken. now this chicken pieces would be cooked with the gravy for around 10 to 15 minutes. We will be putting the lid on. So that the chicken becomes softer. So you would be adding the cashew paste at this time. You would be also adding the chopped spices. You would be adding the saffron water. And then we'll be giving a nice stir. So you can see the color. Aren't this looking royal? I mean, I can feel the taste by not even tasting this. So the color is so tempting. It's actually telling how good the gravy is. So we added the cashew paste to get a creamier, thicker gravy, which we all love in chap recipe. So at this stage, after adding all these remaining saffron water, chopped spices and cashew paste, we would be putting the lid and would be waiting for around 10 more minutes. By the time this would be done and we would be good to go to plate it. So it's around 12 minutes we have cooked the chap with the lid on. So let us open the lid and see. Wow, nice. What a color and texture. So let me just taste how the gravy is. Wow, that's called pure aromatic Kolkata chicken chap. So that's all about the cooking. So now let us plate the thing. So to plate, you would be checking the Maryland pieces and some gravy. There you go. And to garnish, we would be putting a coriander leaves. So that's the chicken chop we prepared today. Please let me know how the recipe is. If you find the recipe useful, please like, share and subscribe to my channel Cook with Kaustav. Also comment what could be the areas where I can do better and what are the recipes you would like to see from my side. So that's all from my side. Just taste the chicken chop, prepare and let me know. This chicken chop can be taken with biryani, mutton biryani. Some of my friends really like the chicken chop with mutton biryani, but my favorite is chicken chop with any kind of Indian breads, be it roti, paratha, naan. So you guys let me know what's your favorite dish to have with chicken chop. Thank you.